The original Mini 3 Pro Fly More Kit Plus offers an all-inclusive package with 2 intelligent flight batteries plus a 2-way charging hub and more, enhancing your aerial photography experience. The Intelligent Flight Battery Plus provides an impressive maximum flight time of 47 minutes, allowing longer exploration and capturing of stunning aerial shots. The 2-way charging hub is a versatile accessory capable of charging the remote controller and up to 3 batteries sequentially, and it can also serve as a mobile power source. When paired with a 30-watt USB-C charger, which is sold separately, the batteries can be fully recharged in just 4 hours, significantly boosting charging efficiency. The propellers designed for the Mini 3 Pro are engineered for reduced noise and have undergone dynamic balancing tests to ensure optimal aerodynamic performance and thrust. The specially designed shoulder bag provides ample space for the drone and its accessories, ensuring everything is conveniently packed for travel.